Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we had seen the essentials of contract of sale. In today's video, let us see what is conditions and warranty. First, what is condition? A condition is a stipulation, means which tells or which defines what has to be done. The main purpose of the contract, it is also known as the main purpose of the contract. In contract, what we can see condition. So this condition is the main purpose of the contract. The breach of condition, if you break the condition, the aggrieved party has a right to terminate the contract. When, see, there are two parties. Suppose, let me say that there is party A and party B. Now, party A is a seller, party B is a buyer. Now, seller breaks the contract, means there's a breach of contract. There is a breach of contract. That time what happens? The aggrieved party. Who is the aggrieved party here? B is the aggrieved party. So B, here B is the aggrieved party. This B has a right to terminate the contract. He has a right to cancel the contract. Condition andre ಏನು? Condition andre stipulation. Stipulation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು stipulation. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನ ಮುರಿದಾಗ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಗ್ರೀವ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ. ವಾರಂಟಿ is also a stipulation, but it is collateral to the main purpose of contract. Collateral ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is an addition to the main purpose. Which is main purpose? The main purpose is condition. So this warranty acts as an addition or the subordinate to the condition. In case of breach of warranty, the aggrieved party has a right to claim damages but not to reject the goods and terminate the contract. By chance, there is a breach in the warranty, the aggrieved party. Now, let us take the same example. A is there and person B is there. A is a seller and B is the buyer. So what happens? A would have sold a TV to B and TV gets spoiled within 1 week of time. That time B has the right to, B is the aggrieved party here. So in this case also B is the aggrieved party. This B has the right to claim the damages, right to claim the damages from A. Whatever the damages has happened, it can claim from A, but not a right to reject the goods. It cannot say that I don't want TV, or neither it cannot say that I will terminate the contract. No, it can only have the right to claim the damages. Warranty is also, warranty ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು collateral to the main purpose. ಅಂದ್ರೆ main purpose ಯಾವುದು? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾರಂಟಿ ನ ಮುರಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಏನೇನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ವಾರಂಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ. Let us see the first difference. A condition is essential to the main purpose of contract. ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. Warranty, it is only collateral to the main purpose. Means we can say that warranty is an optional. We cannot say that if warranty is not there then contract is not there. No, even though if warranty is not there the contract still exists, but if condition is not there the contract will not exist. ವಾರಂಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೊಲಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್. ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Second difference is the aggrieved party can repudiate the contract or claim the damages or both in the cases of breach of contract condition. Now the aggrieved party, he can either cancel the contract or he can claim the damages. So he has two options, either he can do both also. First he will claim the damages and cancel the contract. But in warranty the aggrieved party can only claim the damages but not cancel. He cannot cancel. Here in warranty the aggrieved party cannot cancel the contract. In case of condition he can cancel the contract, but in case of warranty he cannot cancel the contract. This is the second difference. The third difference is the breach of condition may be treated as breach of warranty. Now see that, let us take an example. There is a person A and person B. Same example, A is a seller and B is a purchaser. Means buyer, A would have signed a contract with B to sell the TV. He will not sell the TV only. Then where will this question of warranty comes? Isn't it? So breach of condition is treated as breach of warranty, but breach of warranty cannot be treated as breach of contract. See, he would have sold the goods and the good will get damaged. That time we cannot say that he has not sold the goods. According to contract he has sold the goods. That's why breach of warranty cannot be treated as breach of contract. ನೋಡಿ, ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮುರಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾರಂಟಿನ ಮುರಿದಂಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಈಗ ಅವನು ಟಿವಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಟಿವಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನದು ಬಾಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿವಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟಿವಿ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಅವನೇನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. In next video let us see the type of conditions, and notes I have put in the first comment. Kindly download the notes and study well. Thank you.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.